Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung kabanata, bagong kabanata na magbubukas para sa inyo sa panahon ng February 2026 hanggang April 2028. So this is 2.5 years. Pagbabasihan natin sa reading na to ay ang Saturn in Aries transit. So ang reading na to ay combination ng astrology, tarot, and oracle. Ayan. So, itong reading na to, mas maaring makaresonate dito yung mga Pisces rising. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ang inyong rising sign, just type in sa Google how to know my rising sign and meron kayong i-fill out na information doon. Especially yung birth details ninyo, yung time of birth, tsaka place of birth. Pero kung hindi nyo naman alam yung information na yon, kasi iba hindi alam kung anong oras sila pinanganak, it's okay, pwede pa rin naman itong mag-resonate sa mga Pisces, Sun, or Moon. Okay? So, let's begin. So, for you Pisces, itong Saturn in Aries transit is going to enter your second house of your finances, your values. Since Neptune is also here, you will be more creative in such a way na marami kang mga bagong ideas. Okay? So, maaring in the next 2 years, 2.5 years, bombarded ka ng mga bagong ideas na parang you want to try, but at the same time, may mga hesitation na, let's say, you want to start a project, pero nag-hesitate ka kasi baka hindi mag-work para sa'yo. So, yun yung mga kailangan mo rin na i-take into consideration, especially if you really want it. Kasi pwede kasing, yung tipong nakakuha ka ng idea sa iba, tapos gusto mo lang gayahin, but it doesn't mean na gusto mo talaga siya intentionally, like, you really want it. Parang kumbaga, nadadala ka lang sa trend, ayan. So, this is the time for you to, go inward, kumbaga sa sarili mo na, what do you really want in your life? Kasi the second house is your finances, your money. Maari kasing meron kang madidevelop na bagong sources of income in the next 2.5 years that will bring you a lot of financial stability na pwede siyang maging generational wealth over time, 'di ba? Na pwede mo siyang ipasa sa mga descendants mo. So, this is a time for you to be more conscious and intentional sa mga bagay na bibigyan mo ng effort. Na, let's say, yung effort mo sa pag-aaral or pagre-research or yung paggamit mo ng internet, what is the purpose of that? Na, is it going to help you accumulate more income or parang nagsasayang ka lang ng oras? So, ito yung time na you will realize what are your values, ano yung mga valuable para sa'yo. Some of you, maari ring meron kayong parang hahasain, ganun. Paano ba yun? I-improve na abilities, talents ninyo na madi-discover nyo, no, in the next 2.5 years. Syempre, life is about discovery na, example, may mga knowledge ka ngayon na 10 years ago, 5 years ago, wala kang idea about it, pero ngayon alam mo na. So, kumbaga, continuous yung learning para sa'yo. I also see yun na mas magiging open or parang tipong mas magiging yung makikita ka lagi ng mga tao, no? Some of you, you are meant to be seen by the world. You are meant to be to influence others or to help others or to heal others. So, yun yung maaring realizations mo. Maaring makakabuo ko rin ng isang community na kung saan you will lead that community in the future. So, I also see here na merong major spiritual awakening, like, for example, ngayon, nagiging interesado ka sa occult, sa mysticism, sa esoteric, like tarot, astrology, ganyan. But I think in the next 2.5 years, magkakaroon ka ng expertise. Like, pipili ka dyan kung alin dyan talaga yung nagre-resonate ka or parang in alignment of what you really want or kung saan ka nagre-resonate, no? yun yung i-develop mo and you will master it in the next 2.5 years. Mm-mm. And pwede rin yan na maging source of income mo, yeah, in the next 2.5 years. Also, a lot of creative ideas Oo. Kaya lang, yun nga, pay attention sa mga ideas mo because hindi lahat kasi yan is something na worthwhile or worth it para sa'yo. So, make sure na ma-maintain mo siya at committed ka kung alin man yung pipiliin mo. You have Mars in Cancer in the 4th house. So, pwede magkaroon ng argument, challenging situation with your home life, family life, power struggle kung ikaw ay may asawa or even sa parents mo. Or if you are pwede rin if you are renting a house, so pwedeng magkaroon ng like communication with your landlord na pwedeng may misunderstanding, ganon. You have Jupiter in Pisces in the 12th house. Jupiter is the planet of expansion. I see you na mas maraming attention na mapupunta sa'yo. Like, people are going to be drawn to you, parang meron kang magnetic aura, but you have to protect your energies as well kasi you might attract people na yung may vampiric na energy na they will try to parang drain your energy. Okay? You have the Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Sun is about your light, your vitality, and Sagittarius is exploration energy. 9th house is about learning. So I think for some of you, mas magiging interesado ka sa pag-aaral. When I say pag-aaral, hindi lang to sa school. Kasi pwede ka naman mag-aaral kahit sa bahay lang. May mga, ang dami ng open sources, di ba? May internet, may books, or whatever. So, I think some of you, itong pag-aaralan nyo related sa mga the occult or belief system or sa culture ng ibang tao. I also see opportunities for you to travel abroad, to work abroad, if yan yung interest ninyo. Excuse me. Oh, the Emperor. So this is someone who is building an empire. So for you Pisces, in the next 2.5 years, you are going to build your own empire. Basa na rin yan sa inyong abilities, talento, skill set, at yung inyong expertise. Like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, you may be maaaring magiging part ka ng isang grupo or you will build a community wherein you have the same interest and maaari ring may leadership role for you dito. Yun nga lang, this is a responsibility, so just make sure na consistent ka kasi may mga times na pag na-overwhelm mga Pisces sila na parang nagsha-shutdown or parang umiiwas sa responsibility. So just kunin mo lang kung ano yung kaya mong i-manage. Hindi mo naman kailangang kunin lahat. Oo. Diba? You have the 9 of Swords. So this is overwhelming of ideas or responsibilities na parang minsan ino-overthink mo na yung mga actions na gagawin mo. So just make sure na kaya mo yung kinukuha mo na obligation. And also, may mga problema kasi na hindi pa naman nag-e-exist So, wag mo nang isipin. Wag mo nang i-overcomplicate. You have the Mother of Pentacles, which is your finances, stability. So, I see you na focusing also sa iyong finances, stability ng finances mo. Yung hard work mo will pay off. No? Ito yung tipong makikita mo yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo, ng pinagtrabahuhan mo. Hindi yung kagaya dati na feeling mo kahit na ang sipag-sipag mo, hardworking ka, pero parang walang nangyayari. So dito, may rewards. You will experience rewards from the things that you've been working on or you are improving in your life. You are the joy seeker. Oh, this is nice. So, yeah, kasi Jupiter is also in your fifth house of happiness, playfulness. Some of you, maaring mas may time kayo sa mga anak nyo kung may anak na kayo. Or, healing the inner child. You're healing your inner child. Ganon. Some of you also will experience yung mga meaningful relationships or connections, whether this is friendship or romantic connections. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.